face makeup artist Sue Perez, and I'm going to show you how you can get easy, fabulous eyeliner looks. Today I'm going to show you how to do the very popular winged tip eyeliner using an eyeliner crayon and using a straight angle. What you need to do is hold a straight angle from your nostril to the corner of your eye. You want to hold it alongside the nostril, right above the lashes, about 1/4 of an inch, make a dot on both sides. This is going to make sure that it's even. Now that you have your guide points, that's where eyeliner will end. Take your liner and go right against the root of the lash. And make your eyeliner. It would normally end right here against the end of your eyelash line, but where we have our guideline for that little dot, take that eyeliner and work your way up to it. Open your eye. Instant wingtip eyeliner. And do it on the other side. Take your pencil and go right across the lash line at the root of the lashes, all the way across. And again, you can see where you would end your eyeliner at the end of your eyelash line, but since we made that dot for a guide point, work your eyeliner right up to that dot. And you have perfectly even, balanced, wing-tipped eyeliner. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'd love to answer all your questions. If you have anything you'd like to know, please email me on my website at sueperez.com. Join my mailing list for monthly updates. Visit my blog. I'm basically your personal professional makeup artist here in New York City. I'm also a licensed esthetician, so any skincare concerns that you have, I'd love to hear from you.